Excellencies, dignitaries, distinguished colleagues and partners and guests. It is my pleasure to reflect on Ethiopia's ongoing journey to strengthen public administration and civil service reform, an effort that lies at the heart of delivering better outcomes for our citizens. Ethiopia's public administration and civil service reform represent a decisive shift toward building a more capable, accountable, citizen-centered state. Led by the Federal Civil Service Commission of Ethiopia, the reform prioritizes strengthening implementation systems, improving service delivery, and enhancing institutional performance across all sectors. It focuses on modernizing administrative processes, advancing digital transformation, and delivering skills and mindsets of public servants to respond effectively to the citizens' needs. Our partnership with UNDP, United Nations Development Programme Ethiopia Country Office, and the Global Team Governance for Public Goods and Services has demonstrated the transformative impact of investing in people and capabilities. In January 2026, the Federal Civil Service Commission of Ethiopia, in close partnership with the World Bank and the United Nations Development Programme, convened a problem-driven iterative adaptation workshop in Addis Ababa. This collaboration represents more than a single event. It reflects a shared commitment to move from reform design to real implementation. The findings were clear. Across key sectors such as education, health, water, energy, and labor and skills, the challenge is not a lack of policy ambition. Rather, it is the complexity of implementation, fragmented system, limited coordination, and gaps in digital and institutional capabilities. These constraints directly affect the quality, accessibility, and equity of public service delivery. Equally important is a shift in mindset. Reform is no longer seen as a one-time structural change, but as an ongoing process of testing, learning, improving, and grounded in real service delivery challenges. Building on this foundation, the government of Ethiopia is committed to advancing a new phase of reform, prioritizing execution, strengthening frontline capabilities, improving data systems, and fostering a culture of continuous learning and adaptation. Looking ahead, it is essential that we sustain and deepen this cooperation. A shared work plan and joint implementation efforts between the government of Ethiopia, the World Bank, and the UNDP will be critical to maintaining momentum, scaling successful approaches, and ensuring that reform translates into tangible improvements in people's life. Together, through a continued partnership and commitment, we can build a more responsive, capable, and citizen-centered public service in Ethiopia. I thank you very much.